hang on to your seats. Viewer discretion is advised.
There is nothing wrong with your television. Do not attempt to adjust the picture. We are now controlling the transmission. We control the horizontal and the vertical. We can deluge you with 1,000 channels or expand one single image to crystal clarity and beyond. We can shape your vision to anything our imagination can conceive. We will control all that you see and hear. You are about to experience the awe and mystery which reaches from the deepest inner mind to the outer limits.
Hi folks, it's giveaway time. Hi friends and people would like sharing. Hi friends, how's it going? Hello friends and mushroom pickers. Hi folks. There you are. Alright, how's it doing? Hi friends and Babylonians. Hello my friends and good looking people from all over the world. Hello there nut holders. Oh, the devil are you? Hi muckers. Hello friends and people that like barbecues. Hiya friends. I'm off down the pub for the game of darts. Hi friends and people that get bored very quickly. Hello me friends. Hello my friends. It's been brought to my attention in one of my comments that a friend of somebody's died and they asked me if it's possible to do a flower for them. Hello friends and anybody I owe an apology to. Hello comrades. Hello. Are recording? Good God, thank Christ for that. Because you would have missed some good fucking outtakes. Into 40 inch. You're as thick as they're gonna find them. Into 40 mil. Ooh, my love yanks my bishop. I just gotta get a message to Stu. Who the fuck's Stu? We're gonna grind these the fucking hell's going on here? Fucking perfect. You know, I thought I was on a winner there. But pencil it works. Getting a rough sketch going on here, as you can see it. Fucking hell, Rob, that's rough. Well, it is actually. It's even fucking better if the pencil works. It'd be nice to actually let it cool down first, but yeah, you gotta make it up as you go along. You don't. There's no book. There's no books telling you what to do. Right, that's it. Ain't that pretty? And somehow we're going to bend it around the bastard thing. If I haven't got an hernia yet, I think I fucking soon will have. Pardon me. I welded that in a fucking wrong place, didn't I? Weld it on top so I can get at it. I've run out of wire. Always happen when you're on a good one, doesn't it? That's how hard it is, boys. Right about them fucking cornflakes, wasn't it? Should have had me cornflakes. Yeah, that's fucking hot. And that's fucking hot. You're a noisy fucker, mate. Oh, thank you. Now you know what it's fucking like after all these years. Putting up your fucking noises, eh? Laugh if you want to. You're counting how many things are falling on the floor. I'm gonna be here for fucking 6 weeks picking it up. Yeah, you fucking mother. Fucking tends to have him meet the day, don't it? Should have had them ones off Jason's floor. His floor is full of them. Thinks they're fucking frisbees, I think. Got a pencil? Yeah. Got a sharp pencil? No. Your fucking pencil don't work. You can call it a day, I can call it a night. Oh, who was that? What's wrong then, Rob? Oh, you took the earth off. Again. The great smell of Galby. All of the smell of Galby in them. Give me a fucking welding stick. Piece of fucking... I'll not be beat. What's the fucking use of it? It's that roller there, I think. It's fucked. That is never fucking normal. Has been nominated to answer 7 questions. Only the lonely, da, 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 I'll make you cry for you. Only the lonely. This is what a band saw should look like. This is mine. You're lucky you didn't have your hand off then, you was. See what you get when you tidy up? You lose all your tools. I don't know what I'm doing now, but it looks good. You've got to dry these things, because Christ, this stuff rusts faster than the speed of light. Please help me, I'm a potato peeler. Ow! Yes, you guessed, it's fucking hot. Fucking hell. Ah, fuck that. What's the fucking point of that? I had a feeling of it there, but guess where it went? On the floor. Make sure you're comfortable and make sure you've been playing guitar for 50 years, I'm telling you, because my wrist is stronger than most. That hurts as well. So hard, it don't matter no more. See, if it looks bad to me with bad eyes, what's it going to look like to you with good eyes? Harold Wilson. Fucking strange old fucker. I don't fucking know. It's not as easy as it fucking looks, you know. I think they was like £1 odd from Chinaland. Oh, Chinaland. You take piss out Chinaland. I can't tell by looking in her eye. She's a sad fucker. Look at this. It's like fucking Chinese fucking torture going on. What is that? Why do they always do earth leads so fucking short? Cause that, oh, fucking hell. You tight or what? Spare a bit more wire, lads, and fucking make him a bit longer, will you? I bet you're fucking laughing your fucking head there. I don't fucking blame you. Looks fucking stupid, but don't forget, you got a grip like a fucking donkey. Fucking hell, Rob, you're as thick as they fucking come. It's like a 16th of a fucking feather. That cog's not bad. With my one good eye. Whatever I said last time, don't, you know. I can't think at night. Oh, I got fucking hell now, what's going on here? Sure, that's right, Rob, because I don't look right. You wouldn't believe this. Well, you would, because you're all fucking sat there laughing with. This is unfucking believable. I don't know. My head. You need a good head for this shit. Don't hit it, Rob. Do not hit it. You want to smash it to fucking smithereens, but don't do it. If you can't do a chain, no chance if you got with a fucking octopus, innit? I could have spanked all night. I could have spanked all night. And still be known for tea. Didn't see that, did I? That's gonna go through there, through there, through there, through there, through there, through there.
Thanks for staying to the end. Perhaps you want to click another one there, all as crazy as the first one.